So now we have a filter kit, the UV and the CPL one, circular polarized filter. So let's get into that one. And because this is a kit, you will see you have two lenses in here. Now these are stacked on top of each other, which is pretty cool. So you can unscrew these, and just add one, or screw that back on again, and then you have two on top of each other. So that works really, really cool as well. So when I screw these on, we have the UV lens on there, and then the circular polarizing filter. And we can also change the settings here. And you can really see that there with the light. It changes the type of glare that it emits through the lens. So you can really get like granular here in what type of setting you'd like, as you can see, for your scene. So that's pretty cool. And then you can unscrew the UV here as well, leaving you just with the circular polarizer filter. So this UV can protect your lens and the polarizing filter as well. So it's a pretty cool kit if you're just using a circular polarizing filter right here. So this is a very cool lens set as well.